I'm Emily, and I double majored in German and international studies. And I'm really glad that I was able to continue my German studies at the university because it gave me a really different perspective on German culture through the literature and media. And what's really nice was that our classes were small and intimate, so we really got to know the rest of the other students. And it was never scary to practice conversation because everyone was so supportive and helpful. And the best part about my classes was that they were so fun and interactive. One of my favorite classes was when we had to reinterpret German plays into a different genre. So we had to act these out and we could just be silly, and it was a fun time rather than just reading the text and listening to lectures. I'm also really grateful for all the resources, support, and scholarships there are to study abroad that really let you immerse yourself in another language and culture because that's the best way to learn. There are so many possibilities to study abroad, and I took advantage of a few of them and studied abroad more than once.